What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn what to do when you have an outfit store, for example an Instagram store to sell outfits, and you have to change the clothes of some model but don't have time to contact the model, dress up, take pictures. Canva has a solution for you. Go to Canva. Let me just replace this. Review the left sidebar of menus, go to apps and type multi-outfit try on, this guy right here. Then you're gonna need to open it, and the first thing is select the model. You can even choose a file from your computer, but the tool already have some presents. This is one example. Then add up to 5 images of accessories. Okay, so you can enter 5 images to dress it on, just like this, for example. Okay, then you have to change. You can change by selecting one by one right here, just like this. And of course you can upload yours in the case that you have your pictures. You're gonna have 2 credits, so you can do this 2 times per day. Okay, so nothing to worry, it's a very good tool. And of course you can use another Canva account to have all the true credits. Click on generate. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes. Normally it's quite fast, but of course if there is a lot of people using, it's gonna take longer. However, something like 30 or 40 seconds and you are good to go. While you wait, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for friends of yours, because we bring daily tips, ideas and graphic design options for you. Also, while we wait, let me know into the comments if you're using the Canva Pro or the Canva Free to do your designs, okay? The result we got, you can click on like it or not so good. You can go back or add it to the design in the case that you like. And here is the model using all the accessories that you have selected: the cap, the glasses, the watch, and we start from the default one to this one. Nice, right? And this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.